Salve, my Catholic is awesome friend. Joyful news has come from the Vatican. Pope Leo XIV, for the first time as Pope, will canonize 9 new saints in 2025. These candidates for sainthood are an extraordinary inspiration of faith for us, the faithful, to draw closer to God and love His Holy Church. We also wonder from which countries are the candidates for sainthood who will be canonized by Pope Leo XIV. Here are their life stories. 1. Carlo Acutis. Born in 1991 in England, Blessed Carlo Acutis is one of those who will be canonized as Saint Carlo Acutis by Pope Leo XIV on September 7, 2025. Blessed Carlo is widely recognized as the patron of young Catholics and digital evangelists. During his lifetime, Carlo documented Eucharistic miracles around the world on a website he created. He passed away in 2006 in Milan, Italy, at the age of 15. Carlo was beatified in October 2020, supported by the miracle of the healing of a Brazilian child who recovered from an illness after seeking Carlo Acutis' intercession. 2. Pier Frassati. Next is Blessed Pier Frassati from Italy. He was an Italian Catholic activist and a member of the Third Order of Saint Dominic. Born in 1901, Blessed Pier was a student, mountain climber, and young Catholic. He passed away in 1925 at the young age of 24. During his lifetime, Pier devoted himself to the marginalized in Turin and promoted Catholic values among young people. Blessed Pier will be canonized on the same date as Blessed Carlo Acutis, becoming Saint Pier Frassati. 3. Maria Tronchetti. Next is a nun from Ecuador who will be canonized as a saint. Yes, she is Sister Maria Tronchetti. During her lifetime, Sister Maria served as a nurse, missionary, and educator in the Amazon rainforest of Ecuador. She was a sister of the Salesian congregation and of Italian descent. She passed away in 1969 and was beatified in 2012. On October 19, 2025, she will be canonized as a saint along with 6 other candidates for sainthood. 4. Luigia Poloni. She was an Italian nun and the founder of the Congregation of the Sister of Charity of Verona. Sister Luigia dedicated her life for caring for the sick, the poor, and the marginalized. Known for her humility and tireless dedication, she demonstrated extraordinary compassion toward many people in her daily life. She passed away in 1855 and will be canonized as Saint Luigia in October 2025. 5. Bartolo Longo. Bartolo was a lawyer and former follower of the Satanic cult. His radical conversion to Catholicism brought about a great change in him. He then lived a life of holiness and became part of the Third Order of Dominicans. During his lifetime, Bartolo was a great promoter of the Rosary and built a Marian shrine in Pompeii. He died in 1926 and will be canonized as Saint Bartolo in October. 6. Jose Hernandez. Jose Hernandez is one of the candidates for sainthood from Venezuela. He was a doctor and was known as the Doctor of the Poor. He combined science and his Catholic faith in caring for the sick. His kindness and Christian witness made him a beloved figure throughout Latin America, especially during epidemics. He died in 1919 and will be canonized as Saint Jose in October. 7. Carmen Martinez. She is a nun from Venezuela, born in 1903. She has inspired many people. She had special needs and was born without her left arm, yet she became a dedicated sister to the spiritual and social life of the people around her. Sister Carmen was also the founder of the Congregation of the Servants of Jesus in Caracas. She passed away in 1977 and will be canonized in October 2025. Ignatius Maloyan. Ignatius Maloyan was a candidate for sainthood from Armenia. He was an Armenian Catholic archbishop and became a martyr during the Armenian genocide. He willingly became a martyr to defend his Catholic faith during a period of persecution when the Ottoman Muslim army forced Armenian Christians to convert. He is revered as a brave bishop who remained faithful to Christ. He died in 1915 and will be canonized in October 2025. 9. Peter Turrot. Lastly, there is Peter Turrot. He was a catechist or Catholic religious educator in Papua New Guinea. During his lifetime, Peter opposed the Japanese forces who had banned Christian worship. His courage, pastoral spirit, and bravery inspired the church in Oceania or the Pacific. He died as a martyr in 1945. He was beatified in 1995 and will be canonized by Pope Leo XIV in 2025 as Saint Peter Turrot. My Catholic is awesome friend. These are the 9 new saints who will be canonized by Pope Leo XIV in 2025. May the canonization process proceed smoothly and extraordinarily. The lives of these saints to be inspire us to remain faithful in our faith and continue to strive to live in holiness. Yes, Saint of God, pray for us. Salve and Shalom.